Have you ever wondered what makes owning a male cat so different from a female? In the latest film, we'll uncover 18 secrets behind the differences between them and reveal surprising facts that set them apart. Don't waste time. Join us for watching now. 1. Color sensitivity. Despite the popular belief that cats are colorblind, research has shown that male cats are particularly sensitive to the color blue. It is interesting to note that they more easily notice moving objects in shades of blue than in other colors, which is related to their genetic makeup and eye structure. 2. Daddy's traits. Genetic influence of male cats. The temperament of a male cat can significantly influence the traits of their offspring. Behavioral traits such as boldness, timidity, and sociability can have genetic components that are passed from parents to kittens. Studies in animal behavior suggest that these traits can be inherited to some extent, meaning that a male cat's personality could potentially influence the behavioral development of his kittens. Understanding these genetic influences is crucial for breeders and owners alike who are looking to predict or shape the temperaments of their cats. 3. Wanderers. Male cats are naturally more inclined to wander and explore, particularly evident in their tendency to expand their territory. This behavior is more often observed in unneutered males, who may travel much greater distances in search of mates or new territories. An example of such an extraordinary wanderer is a 2-year-old tomcat named Kuzia, who traveled over 2,000 kilometers through the Siberian forest to return to his home. His impressive journey earned him a place in the Guinness Book of Records, demonstrating the remarkable endurance and instinct that guide male cats in their travels. 4. Lefty loungers. While cats aren't known for their handwriting, they do show a preference for using one paw over the other when interacting with their environment. Research indicates that male cats, in particular, are more likely to favor their left paw. Approximately 52% of male cats exhibit a left paw preference, a phenomenon not equally mirrored in females. This paw preference can be observed in various activities, such as reaching for food, playing with toys, or navigating through their surroundings. The reason behind this left paw dominance in male cats isn't entirely understood, but it is speculated to be influenced by factors ranging from brain hemisphere dominance to hormonal differences. This trait adds an interesting layer to understanding feline behavior and neurology, offering insights into how physical and neurological traits can vary across genders and animals. 5. Ginger boys. This intriguing gender bias stems from the cat's genetic composition. In felines, coat color is linked to the X chromosome. The gene responsible for the orange color, known as the O gene, is carried on this chromosome. Since males have only one X chromosome, paired with one Y chromosome, a single copy of this gene will make a male cat orange. Females, on the other hand, have two X chromosomes and thus require two copies of the gene to exhibit the orange color. As a result, the probability of a male being an orange tabby is significantly higher than that of a female. This genetic quirk results in as many as 80% of all orange tabbies being male. This distinctive genetic trait makes orange male tabbies not just beautiful, but also a fascinating subject for those interested in genetics and animal biology. 6. Life's a sprint. Statistically, male cats generally have a slightly shorter life expectancy than their female counterparts, often living 1 to 2 years less. This disparity can be attributed to various factors, including a tendency towards more risky behaviors and a higher susceptibility to certain diseases. However, lifestyle modifications such as keeping male cats indoors and ensuring they are neutered can significantly extend their lifespan. Neutering not only reduces the risk of certain health issues, but also curbs roaming and aggressive behaviors, which can lead to accidents or fights. These proactive steps help mitigate the natural disadvantages that can affect male cats' longevity. 7. Cool cat dads? Most male cats aren't exactly father of the year. They typically leave the kitten cuddling to mom, except for the Siamese. Known for their affection, Siamese males often break the stereotype by taking an active role in kitten care. 8. Tomcats. The term tomcat has an interesting origin that ties back to storytelling and popular culture. It is believed that the name stems from a character named Tom in the book The Life and Adventures of a Cat, published in 1760. In the story, Tom is portrayed as a roguish male cat with numerous romantic escapades. The story was well known, and as a result, the name Tom became a generic term for male cats, particularly those that are unneutered and exhibit the associated behaviors of territorialism, aggressiveness, and promiscuity. The use of tomcat has been so pervasive that it has transcended generations, embedding itself deeply in our language and continuing to be used widely today to describe unneutered male cats. 9. The call of the wild. Caterwauling is a distinctive sound that male cats make, particularly during the mating season. This loud, deep, and often unsettling meow serves several purposes. It signals the male's availability to female cats and establishes his presence to other competing males. The call is part of the male cat's natural behavior to attract mates and assert dominance over a territory. Caterwauling can occur at any time of the day, but is most commonly heard at night when it is quieter, allowing the sound to carry further. This behavior highlights the deeply ingrained instincts still present in domestic cats, reminiscent of their wild ancestors. 10. The gentle giants. Male mane. Coon cats are renowned not only for their friendly and sociable nature, but also for their impressive size. These cats are one of the largest domesticated breeds, with males commonly weighing between 15 to 25 pounds, and in some cases, even more. The Maine Coon's large bone structure and muscular body allow it to maintain robust health even at these higher weights. Despite their imposing size, Maine Coons are often referred to as gentle giants due to their calm, friendly, and affectionate demeanor. They are highly adaptable and get along well with children and other pets, making them excellent companions in a variety of home environments. The combination of their majestic appearance and endearing personality makes them a favorite among cat enthusiasts around the world. 11. Lone rangers. In the wild, male cats often lead solitary lives, primarily to avoid competition for essential resources such as food and territory, and to increase their chances of mating. This solitary behavior is a natural survival strategy that minimizes conflicts and maximizes reproductive success. Unlike their domesticated counterparts who might enjoy the company of other household pets, wild male cats maintain defined territories that they defend vigorously against other males. This behavior highlights the distinct differences in social dynamics between domesticated and wild felines. 12. Predatory instincts. Male cats can sometimes exhibit aggressive behaviors towards kittens that are not their own, a behavior rooted deeply in their natural instincts. This aggression is primarily aimed at eliminating the offspring of competitors, thereby increasing the aggressor's reproductive success by bringing the female back into heat sooner. While this behavior is common in the wild, it is much less frequent in domestic settings where male cats are typically neutered, which reduces their aggressive instincts and territorial behaviors. 13. Top name. Oliver's popularity among male cats. Among male cat names, Oliver stands out as particularly popular. This name has consistently topped the charts in various surveys and studies, reflecting a broad appeal among cat owners. The name Oliver conveys a sense of friendliness and charm, which may be why it resonates with so many pet owners. Its popularity might also be influenced by cultural references, such as the character Oliver from the movie Oliver and Company, a brave and adventurous little cat who has captured the hearts of audiences. 14. The heaviest cat in the world. Meet Himmy from Australia, the heavyweight champion of domestic cats. At the end of his feline journey, he tipped the scales at a whopping 21.3 kilograms, stretched nearly a meter long, and stood tall at 38 centimeters when on all fours. Imagine having a kitty that's almost as long as your coffee table and as heavy as a hefty toddler. Himmy wasn't just a cat. He was a gentle giant who left a paw-sized impression on everyone he met. 15. Scratching instinct. Male cats have a strong urge to scratch objects to mark their territory. Providing scratching posts can help satisfy this instinct and prevent damage to furniture. 16. Male cats are more frequently adopted from shelters than female cats. Research conducted by animal shelters and adoption organizations confirms that male cats are more commonly chosen by prospective owners than female cats. These findings suggest that there is a tendency for male cats to be more widely selected in the adoption process. There are common beliefs or stereotypes regarding the behavior and characteristics of male cats compared to females. Some people may believe that male cats are more independent, less emotionally attached, and easier to care for than female cats. 17. Male cats typically have larger heads than female cats, a difference primarily influenced by hormonal factors. Testosterone, the primary male sex hormone, plays a pivotal role in the development and growth of male cats, impacting various physical features. During puberty and sexual maturation, male cats undergo a surge in testosterone production, stimulating the growth of secondary sexual characteristics, such as larger heads. Testosterone facilitates the development of muscle mass, bone density, and overall body size, including skull size. 18. Territorial behavior. Male cats tend to be more solitary and territorial than females. They claim larger territories and are less likely to form social groups. Neutering can help reduce territorial behaviors in male cats. If you enjoyed our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up.